my channel, I'm Mabel. Today I'm very excited because I'm gonna show you guys what I eat in a day. Just a beginner of cooking. So if I can do it, you can do it. They are very simple, very healthy, and very delicious. Delicious. Rico! The lighting and the focus might on and off because I'm still working on the angles, and also I don't have a camera at this point. It's a little bit hard to control with the iPhone, you know. Let's jump into it, shall we? If you do enjoy it, please give a like and maybe subscribe. I recently started my day with a lemon warm water. And for the breakfast, we're gonna make some coffee jam, which I just learned from YouTube. First of all, we're gonna prepare the coffee. Then just put all of the ingredients into the pan and stirring.
Wow!
It took me 15 minutes to make the jam, but trust me, it's totally worth it. For the lunch, I go for tofu curry. Oh man, I miss tofu so much. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the one I was looking for. But it's okay, I just got whatever the store has. And here is my lazy way to cook the rice in microwave. While the rice is cooking, we're gonna prepare the rest of our veggies. Cut the tofu into cubes. For others, you can chop them into whatever the shape you want. Next step, we're gonna fry the tofu. We're gonna leave it for 1 minute or 2. Cook them until brown each side. Then just setting them aside, and I use the same pan to cook the rest. We're gonna stir this. So now we can add the soya sauce and let it cook about 2 to 3 minutes. Curry powder and some love. Then keep stirring for 30 seconds to a minute. Then we can add to the pot 1 cup of coconut milk and the tofu we cooked. And then we are going to give this a stir and let it sit until thicken. Then it's ready to serve. I'm a big fan of cilantro and lime. This recipe is about 2 persons, so I saved the rest for the next day. And in the afternoon, I just feel like I want a smoothie, so I make my favorite smoothie with avocado, banana, spinach, and coconut milk. Just put all of them into a blender, then blend it up. It's very creamy and delicious because of the smoothie, so I'm thinking to make a light dinner. A sandwich. In the late of the night, I wanted something sweet, so I decided to make cookies. So to get started, the first thing is melt the coconut oil. Then we need 2 bananas, and we're gonna mash them up. Once we've got all the bananas broken down, then we are ready to add oats and mix them well. In the next step, we're gonna pop it onto a plate. And then we are going to pop it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes, depending on the power of your microwave. In my case, I put it for 2 minutes. I think my fingers can tell you the taste. Then I will stir the rest in the room temperature up to 3 to 4 days. And the next day, I just grab them with coffee, breakfast sauce. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it and see you next week. Bye!